So back in May 2018, Samsung announced the Galaxy J4 and the J6 with AMOLED panels, but now more bigger and better looking smartphones are bound to arrive. The Samsung India teased the Galaxy J4 Plus and the Galaxy J6 Plus on its website with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner with infinity display. But back in the era of smartphones with 16:9 ratio screens, the home button / fingerprint reader was below the display, later making its way to the back with the introduction of the infinity display. But now Samsung is planning to implement a fingerprint scanner on the side, which will be a completely new approach for the Korean company. The moniker infinity display is used for all tall screen with minimal bezels on the Galaxy smartphones. The Galaxy J4 Plus and the Galaxy J6 Plus will also have the rounded corners mimicking the front of S9 flagship. The upcoming mid-rangers will also have the feature called Emojify, which looks like a simplified version of AR emoji. By the looks of it, Emojify will allow you to create an avatar of your liking instead of a realistic 3D model of your face. The phones will come on September 25th as the Notify Me button suggests, and the launch is likely to take place when more specs, pricing and availability will be unveiled. So yeah, that's pretty much about the new upcoming Galaxy J4 Plus and the Galaxy J6 Plus. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment sections down below. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.